Dear friends, greetings to you. In today's lesson, we're going to discuss the details of the usage of the article a. So let's get started. Before we dive into all the details of the usage of the article a, let's take a look at our example here. Look, there is a dog, an dog, the dog inside the swing. So what would be the correct form in this case? Do we say a dog, an dog, or the dog? So today we'll specifically talk about the usage of the article a. Article a is used to talk about one person or one thing. And usually that person or thing have the unknown identity. The other rule is that the article a is used before a noun that starts with a consonant. Examples are a story, a project, a meal, a window, a prize, a place, a friend, a spouse. As I mentioned before, a is used to refer to one single object, person, or thing. Shayna needs a bottle of milk. A bottle of milk. One bottle of milk. Would you like to buy a necklace? A necklace. One necklace. Today, we are planning to run a mile. A mile. 1 mile. The other rule is that the article a is used to refer to something for the first time. Eric gave a great presentation. A great presentation. Amy, would you like a snack? A snack. My hotel room has a great view. A great view. An article a is also used to indicate belonging to a class of people, job, or things. Amanda is training to be a nurse. A nurse. Linda is a customer service representative. A customer service representative. Jason wants to be a police officer. A police officer. An article a is also used before the name of a day of the week to refer to one occurrence of it. For example, Christmas lands on a Monday. On a Monday. And finally, an article a is used with singular nouns after the words what and such. What a lovely day. What a lovely day. I lost my purse today. What a horrible day. What a horrible day. Matthew is such a cute toddler. Such a cute toddler. Thank you so much for your attention today. If you really enjoyed this lesson, please share it with your friends, follow us on social media, and we'll see you the next time. Goodbye.